Welcome to the Sales Growth module in Unleashed. In this quick overview demo, we'll walk through how to manage your sales pipeline, from tracking opportunities to creating quotes and converting them into orders. We'll follow a typical sales workflow from a sales rep's perspective so you can see how it works day to day. This is your sales growth dashboard, your starting point for managing sales activity. At a glance, you can see how your business is performing, including orders this month, quotes nearing expiry, and your current pipeline broken down by likelihood. Each of these tiles can be explored further. For example, you can click See More to drill into specific orders or quotes. You can also switch between viewing the whole team or just your own activity. For a sales rep, this becomes your day-to-day workspace, showing tasks, opportunities, and what needs attention. Before we jump into opportunities, it's important to understand how sales growth handles prospects. You can create and manage potential customers directly in sales growth without adding them into Unleashed straight away. This keeps your customer list in Unleashed clean while still allowing your sales team to track leads. Only when a quote is confirmed and becomes an order should you then create that customer in Unleashed. Now, let's look at how we track a deal using opportunities. Here we can see key details: who the customer is, the value of the deal, and which stage it's at. You can also assign a likelihood to each opportunity using the gatometer. The gatometer allows you to set a percentage based on how confident you are that the deal will close, combining your judgment with the pipeline stage. This helps with forecasting and understanding what's likely to convert. That value and likelihood feed directly into your pipeline view on the dashboard. We also have the activity timeline, keeping all information on the opportunity in one place, so when you follow up, you've got full context. You're not relying on memory or scattered notes. You can also assign tasks and collaborate with your team directly within the opportunity. Tasks ensure follow-ups happen on time, helping prevent deals from slipping through the cracks. You can also add notes or tag other team members to keep everyone aligned. Once the customer is ready, we can convert this opportunity into a quote. This keeps everything connected as the deal progresses. To start building the quote, click on the Convert to Quote button at the top here. Fill out the required details, including your chosen warehouse and price expiry, and then we can start searching for and adding our products and their quantities. Click Add Products for an extended view of your product search, or directly in the product line. Products come directly from your Unleashed catalog with real-time stock visibility. If you want to make any changes to the product's financials, including the price and any discount applied, click on the Edit Pencil icon on the product line. This will open more details on that product, for example, the upsell value, available quantities, and stock by warehouse. Once the quote is ready, we can use one of the Send buttons to start creating the email for the customer. Here we can view or change details that will be sent, including the customer's email, the email subject line, and choose from your list of email templates and signatures. When you're happy with the details, click Send. Customers can approve or decline the quote within the email or in the quote document attached. This will open a secure link for them to make their decision, removing the need for back and forth emails. If you included a quote expiry date, this will be shown in the quote document, helping create urgency and ensuring pricing stays accurate. At the quote stage, everything stays within sales growth. It's only when the quote is confirmed that a sales order is created in Unleashed, along with a prompt to create the customer record if they don't already exist. This ensures customers are only created when they're ready to buy. This is the point where the sale becomes committed and moves into fulfillment, keeping your sales and operations aligned. Sales growth helps you stay organized, follow up at the right time, and move deals forward consistently. By managing opportunities, quotes, and tasks in one place, you can improve visibility and convert more sales.